In this video, I will be showing you how to format and stylize your text in Discord. So, the first one is the italics. You can do this in two different ways. First one is by putting an asterisk on either side of your text. Next one is by putting an underscore on either side of your text. For bold text, put two asterisk sign on either side of your text. For underline text, put two underscores on either side of your text. For bold italics text, put three asterisk sign on either side of your text. For underline italics text, put two underscore with an asterisk sign on either sides of your text. For underline bold text, put two underscore following with two asterisk sign on either side of your text. For underline bold italics text, put two underscore following with three asterisk sign on either side of your text. To strike through your text, put two tilde symbols on either side of your text. For single line code blocks, put a single backtick on either side of your text. For multi-line code blocks, put three backticks at the beginning and the end of the text. For single line quote block, put a greater than symbol following with a space at the start of your text. For multi-line quote block, put three greater than symbol following with a space at the start of your text. For a spoiler text, put two vertical bars on either side of your text. To create a bulleted list, put either hyphen or asterisk symbol following with a space in the beginning of each line. To create an indent bulleted list, add a space, then put either hyphen or asterisk symbol following with another space in the beginning of each line. To make the text bigger, you just need to include a specific number of hash sign. Single hash sign followed by a space will make the text bigger. Double hash sign followed by a space will make the text a little smaller. Triple hash sign followed by a space will make the text more smaller. Make sure to include space between text and the hash sign. To create a hyperlink or masked link, you need to include the text you want displayed in square brackets and then the link in parentheses. If you're enjoying this so far, make sure to subscribe because it's free and motivates me to make more videos like this. Now, let's see how you can make colored text like this. Disclaimer: if you're on mobile, this text will be shown as a normal text, not as a colored text. I will be using this website for the colored text formatting, and I have mentioned the link of this website in description. Foreground color is for text, and there are 8 different color options. Background color is highlighted behind the text, and there are also 8 different color options. So, let's start. Add your text in the rectangle box that you want to change the color. Select the text, then choose any one of the text color. Then click on the button at the bottom to copy the code. Paste the same code in Discord. And well done, you've learned how to color your text. Now, let's see how you can add a background color to the text. Highlight the text again. This time choose a background color, click the button to copy the code, and paste the same code in Discord. As you can see, the text has been highlighted with a different color. Now, let's see how you can bold this colored text. Highlight the text, click on the bold option, click the button to copy the code, and paste the code in Discord. As you can see, the text has been bolded. Lastly, let's see how you can underline this same text. Highlight the text, click on the line option, click the button to copy the code, and paste the code in Discord. As you can see, the text has been underlined. You can try different options, play around a little bit, and see what works for you. If you want to learn how to make community Discord server like this, then watch the video on the screen and subscribe for more Discord-related content.